Power quality issues can quietly disrupt your facility, damaging equipment, halting production, and increasing energy costs. But before you can fix the problem, you need to know where it starts. When voltage sags or transients occur, the critical question is the issue coming from inside your facility, or is it arriving from the utility supply? Volta Insite's monitoring nodes offer a clear answer. By analyzing the timing between voltage and current during an event, they pinpoint the source. If the voltage drops before a current spike, the problem likely came from outside your facility. But if the current spike happens first, the issue is probably internal. This distinction is essential for effective troubleshooting. The location of your monitoring node makes a big difference. Placing a node at a single motor gives you targeted insights into that equipment. Monitoring distribution lines reveals how issues affect multiple systems. But installing a node at the utility mains provides the complete picture, showing exactly what's coming into your facility from the outside. With Volta Insite at the utility mains, facilities collect real-time data on voltage stability, power levels, and more. This evidence allows you to back up utility claims with facts, not guesswork, and empowers you to make informed decisions about your facility's electrical health. Companies using Volta Insite have avoided costly repairs by proving power issues originated externally. The result is less downtime, improved vendor relationships, and smarter operational decisions. Take control of your facility's electrical health, find the source, and fix the issue.